Hi, welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Amanda Babb and I am your student's geometry teacher. Just to share a few things about me to start with, I have 3 kids. They are 5, 8, and 10, and they're going to be in kindergarten, 3rd and 5th grade. We have 2 dogs. My husband Billy and I have been married for 13 years and we live in Loveland. I just want to share some interests, some things that I like to do. I like to be outside, I like to run, I like to play soccer, I like to hike, I like to camp. So anything really that keeps me active. I've been teaching this will be my 14th year. It's my 4th year here at Rocky, and I just love it here. So hopefully we can make some connections throughout the year and maybe share some of the same interests. Just expectations, and your students have heard this, so please feel free to ask them about these things as well. I really expect them to be in class and on time. These are things that can't be duplicated, things you can't really make up if you miss a discussion or an exploration. And so being here is going to be one of the most important things that contributes to their success. So if you want to be successful, you have to be here. And the other part of that is you have to stay caught up. Completing your homework or classwork every single day and on time is going to be imperative. And I also do not accept late homework. So if you do not turn your work on time, you don't get credit for it. There's a couple reasons for that. Math builds. It builds a lot. Every single day we build on what we've learned the previous day or previous year or previous week. And so having all of that knowledge and those tools in our toolbox is super important. So that also brings me to my next point. The grade breakdown is 65% assessment. So that's tests and quizzes. And then 15% of the grade will either be the midterm or the final, depending on the quarter. And then only 20% is homework and classwork. And it's because those homework and classwork, those are times to learn, to make mistakes, to build your knowledge, so that when it comes time for the assessment, you're set up to be super successful. And it's very, very important, even though it's only worth 20% of your grade, to stay on top of the homework and the classwork. I am usually pretty easy to reach through email. I check my email pretty frequently, so if you email me any questions that you may have, I'm happy to answer them for you. Not just about this back to school night presentation, but about anything throughout the year. And please do let me know if you have other questions that I didn't cover in this video. I'm looking forward to a great semester of geometry with your students and a great year being back here in some sort of normalcy and in person. So I hope you guys let me know if you have any other questions, and I hope to have a great year. Thanks.